Okay, this video is some more addition, taking a look at some ways to use some mental math, shortcuts, tricks. You can call it lots of different things. Just some different ways to do some addition problems. Okay, well, let's take a look at this problem. It's 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5. And you see when you set up a problem like this, you want to make sure your columns are good. The plus sign goes just at the bottom of the last number you're adding up, which is called an addend, and there's the answer line right there. Okay, so what we're going to do in this approach is take a look and try to find pairs that make 10. And we mark them off so that we can kind of keep track. There's a million ways to do this. This is one that I think is a good one to learn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, 3 plus 7 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. And now that they are all paired off like that, I can do it very quickly. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30, and I'm done. Let's take a look at this next problem over here. And right at the top there's a pair of 10. Why don't you pause it, copy that problem over, and identify that pair of 10. The pair that makes 10. Okay, and that's 2 plus 8 makes 10. Now, 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. It's a lot trickier, but 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So all of these together, I don't even know how to mark this off best, but all of these marked off together make 10. So this is, the answer is 23. Yeah, a lot going on there. Okay, copy this problem over. Take a look at it. Now put this one here because, you know, sometimes our pairs that make 10, well, they're not right next to each other. And this one, well, I'll bet once I do this, you'll be able to see what's going on. 3 plus 7 is 10. Can you find the other pairs that make 10? There's 2 and 8. Oops, running out of room there. And 5 and 5. 10. So now I've taken care of all 4 of these, and this one, leaving just the 1. So the answer is going to be 10, 20, 30, 1. Yes, a lot going on there. Now, these next problems are a level up. Okay, but same idea. What we're going to do is just take a look at the ones column. We're going to make our pairs of 10. 1 and 9 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. So in our ones column we just have 20. We're going to actually use the algorithm though. We're going to write our 20, the 0 and the 1s, and the 2 we'll put up here. We'll carry it over into the 10s column. And now what we can do is just add the 10s column. Well, there's 2 ways to do it. Let's just do it first of all with no shortcuts or anything. We'll just add the numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. So yeah, the answer to this is 160. Another way to do this would have been to just see, if you could, that 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So these 3 together make 10. 4 plus 2 is 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. Here's the last one for this video. You can copy it over and take a look, hit pause and take a look at it, or just let me talk you through it. Let's just take a look at the ones column. This is another one of those problems where the pairs to 10 aren't right next to each other. Let's see, 9 and 1 is 10. And then did you see this? 4 plus 6 is 10. So in the ones column, we've got 10, 20, 5. So I'll put the 5 down here, the 2 up in the tens column, and let's take a look. Well, let's see. I think I'll just go right down my tens column. 2 plus 8 is 10. I'm going to do 4 and 2 is 6, so I'm up to 16. Plus 3 is 19. Plus 4 is 23. 235. So I'm going to stop this video here. There'll be more in other videos. I'm Bob Rollins. I teach at Park Day School in Oakland, California. If you want to send me questions or comments, please email me at bob@parkdayschool.org. Thanks.